So, working out first thing in the morning is one of the best ways to start your morning. But at the end of the day, as long as you get your workout in, whether that be in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night, as long as you get your workout in, that's all that matters. Ooh, how is everybody doing? What's going on, everyone? 𝐋𝐄𝐆𝐀𝐋 here, aka your daily physique. I hope you're having an amazing day. If this is your first time joining me, I'm a lawyer, but at the same time, I'm a bodybuilder. Alright everyone, so today's gonna be a pretty straightforward day. First, I'm gonna go ahead and hit a leg and shoulder workout, and then afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and review for the bar, and throughout the day I'll be showing you what I eat. And so without further ado, let's get straight to this workout. Alright everyone, so I started off with a high bar squat. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my last leg workout here, which is gonna be a glute squeeze. Alright everyone, now that I'm done with legs, I'm gonna go ahead and hit some shoulder flies. Now that I'm officially done with my leg and shoulder workout, I'm gonna go ahead and show all of you what I eat for my post-workout meal. What we have here is my post-workout meal. There's approximately 1 cup of blueberries, 3 servings of oatmeal, which totals 120 grams. There are 200 grams of egg whites, and there are also chia seeds in here. I am missing a couple of key ingredients, which include spinach, Greek yogurt, and carrots. I did add 2 scoops of protein to get the gains, and so let's go ahead and see how this tastes. 1 sip, everyone knows the rules. I'd give this a 7.8 out of 10. This would be receiving a 9.0 and above, except for the fact that I'm missing 3 key ingredients. I highly suggest that you yourself get you a blender and that you do these daily smoothies, because at the end of the day they're very simple and they're an easy way to get in amazing nutrients. So while I'm sipping on my post-workout smoothie, I'm gonna go ahead and start my bar review now. It's currently July 28th, and so I'm officially 69 days until the California bar examination. Without further ado, let's get straight to bar review. To give all of you a quick update, I've finished property. I've finished torts. I've finished civil procedure and now I'm covering the topic of constitutional law. Yesterday I was able to study for approximately 10 hours and I hope to do the same today. It's about to turn 12 p.m. and so I'm gonna go ahead and study for 4 hours and then I'm gonna take a break from 4 to 5 p.m. and then from 5 to 10 I'm gonna go ahead and get back to studying. And so stay tuned because we're gonna pass this difficult examination. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna have for lunch now. I'm gonna have 2 of these packets, Safe Catch Ahi Wild Yellow Tuna. You can find these at your local Costco. They're only 110 calories. So I'll eat 2 of these, approximately 50 grams of protein, and then I'll have, I don't know if you can see that, but I'll have popcorn. The popcorn that I make is made from plain kernels, so I just buy them in bulk and then I just add my seasonings later. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this lunch now. Oh, why are you eating? Well, what kind of lunch? What kind of lunch are you eating? Why are you eating cat food? I like it, okay? Mmm. So here are a couple of my notes. This is basically what it looks like when I'm filling out my lecture. So it's pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy. I hope you enjoyed working out legs with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I ate on a typical day. Again, don't knock it till you try it. And with that being said, make sure you stay tuned for future life updates in regards to my bar preparation and to my daily physique. So I ended up getting Chipotle for my last meal. I got chicken, steak, white rice, black beans, corn salsa, and tomato salsa. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this now because I'm starving. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I encouraged you or motivated you in some sort of way. And so with that being said, you know what time it is. It's time to get up off your phone. It's time to get up off your bed. And it's time to rise.